If you want to extend your Android phone's battery lifespan and avoid unnecessary overcharging, Samsung's built-in battery protection feature is one of the best tools you can use. This quick guide will show you Stop Overcharging. How to limit battery charging on Android 2026. Guide to begin, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. This is the main control center where all system features and device options are managed. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down carefully until you find Device Care. On some devices, it may appear as Battery and Device Care. Tap on it to continue. Inside the Device Care menu, select the Battery option. This section gives you a detailed overview of your battery usage, charging status, and power-saving tools. Now scroll down again until you see Battery Protection or Battery Health Protection, depending on your Samsung model and software version. Tap on Battery Protection and you will see different charging limit options. Samsung usually provides choices such as Basic and Maximum Protection. To limit charging, select the Maximum Protection option. This will typically restrict your battery from charging beyond around 80%, helping reduce long-term battery wear and heat stress. Once enabled, your phone will automatically manage charging to maintain battery health without any extra effort from you. That's it. You've successfully optimized your charging settings for better battery life. To finish, remember this simple rule. Keeping your battery between 20% and 80% can significantly improve its lifespan over time. Thanks for following this guide and stay tuned for more quick Android tips.